everyone and welcome back to Luxury in Life. I hope you're all doing well. Today I've got a little bit of a different video. It's not about a luxury handbag or anything like that, but it is about something that I've been wearing constantly for, I want to say, around 6 months now, and that is my Apple Watch. So I love this thing. I did start off with a Series 3 and I've recently upgraded to a Series 5. I love it, I love how it looks, I love what I use it for, and I've got a few different accessories to go with it as well. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So as I said, I did start with the Series 3, which is great. I think if you're looking for an Apple Watch to get yourself started, I would go for that. It's a really great price. I absolutely loved it. I just wanted to upgrade because I like some of the new features on the Series 5, but I'll show you this now. So this is the box that it came in. As with all Apple products, the packaging is just really satisfying and really amazingly done. So it comes in a box like this. This just fell out there. And this is the Series 5 box. So one of the main things visually that's different about this is the Series 5 screen goes right to the edge. The Series 3 had a little kind of border around it, so this one goes right to the edge, a bit like the new phones. And as well, my Series 3 had a black kind of metal edge. This has a gold or rose gold edge on there. So yeah, it's all packaged really nicely. The screen itself came in this little protecting kind of fabric, and you get your starting watch strap that comes with it. So the one that I got with mine is the pink rubber strap. I thought it went really nicely with the kind of gold, rose gold frame there. So that's what comes with it. I do have a few other straps that I like to use with it, but this is the one that I went for initially. So that is what it looks like. So I'll go through the watch in a bit more detail with you, but you do get to choose from a few different kind of watch faces. I've got a few different ones on here, which I will show you now. So you can look through the watch gallery on your phone to see all the different faces you can have. So I've got one like this, which is a bit more fun. It's kind of a kaleidoscope wheel that you can change with the little knob there on the side. So that's that one. And then I've also got a kind of more minimal one, which I really like for just when I'm going out somewhere and I don't want my watch to be too kind of obvious. So I've got that more minimal screen. I've got one that shows more like the weather, what's going on, the time and date a bit more clear. And then I've got one which is just a bit more of a standard watch face, and you can as well customize all the things around the outside of the face. So you can put there the apps or the things that you use more. So I've got activity, which just shows my calories, my steps for the day, my exercise. That I use quite a lot, so that's in the corner there. I've also got a workout one, which I just choose. So if I'm going for a walk or a run, I just click on that and it'll kind of log my exercise. I've also got this breathe one, which is really good for kind of meditation, or if you just want to relax. It's a really good one just to take a bit of time out of your day to just chill out and just breathe. That one's really good. And then I've just got the date there as well in the other corner. So yeah, you can customize all the faces however you want. You can choose whichever ones you like. You can even add a photograph in the background if you wanted to. There's just loads of different things you can do with the faces. Other things that are really good on the watch as well, I like to use the heart rate just to keep a check on that. That's really handy. What is amazing about this Series 5 is you can actually take your own ECGs with the watch, which is, you know, amazing. I'm not saying that I have any heart problems or anything like that, but in the future when I get older it could be really handy. I do have heart issues that run in my family, so doctors have said just being able to take an ECG, say if you're having like a panic attack or any sort of episode, if you can take that ECG yourself, pass on that record to your doctor, he can have a look at it, and it's invaluable really. And I've just read so many things where the watch has just saved people's lives by being able to do that. So I think that's amazing what this can do. You've got all your photos on there, which you can, everything that's on your phone you can go through and see all your photos, which is really nice. There's just so much stuff, but I think the key for me is, before I got the watch I thought, what am I going to use it for? It's not an extension to your phone, really. I use this mainly for fitness and for tracking my activity, my exercise, and anything else is just a bonus, really. There's like a walkie-talkie app where if you've got someone else with a watch, or even just someone else with a phone, you can speak to them through this, which is really handy. You can pay with things on your phone, which I find amazing. So if I've left my card at home, I've got Apple Pay set up on this, so with a contactless machine I can just beep my watch and it's amazing. I've used it on the tube in London before, on the underground, just beep the watch. It's fantastic. It just, yeah, I think it is really, really handy to have. I know not everyone is kind of sold on the idea. I wasn't at first. I thought, I don't really think I'm going to use it, but then I got it and it's just an amazing addition. And you know, I was never a huge watch fan before, but this is just, I wear it every single day now and I couldn't be without it. Another really cool thing that we have in our flat, we've got the Philips Hue lights, which are smart light bulbs, so I can turn off a light with using my watch, turn it on or off, or dim it down, or change the colour of a light. And yeah, it's just things like that, really. It's just, it's not essential, but it's nice to have. I've got my podcast app on there. There's like a hearing app which tells you if wherever you are, if you're exposed to a sound that is maybe too loud, that might damage your ears. There's just so much on here and I just think it's fantastic. And yeah, I've been absolutely loving having this for the last few months. It's just great. So now I'll show you a few of my other watch strap accessories that I have. So like I said, it came with the rubber band. I think there's a few different things you can choose. You can have more of a fabric one. But yeah, I just like the rubber one, especially because I use the rubber one mainly on a daily basis or for exercise, because I feel like it won't get ruined as much or get sweaty or anything like that. So I feel like this is good just for general everyday. Other than that, I have got this metal one. Now this I got, I think it was off eBay or Amazon, really, really cheap. I think it was about £7 or something like that. I got this one initially for my Series 3, which had the black face. So I think it did work a lot better with that. I'll put a picture on if I've got one here. So I'm not sure it works exactly with this new rose gold face border that I've got. You can get these with more of a rose gold in the middle, which I might get actually. I'll put a picture of that here. I just think that one will work a lot better with my rose gold face that I've got there. I think that'll work really a lot better. But all you do to change the watch straps, there's a little button on the back at the top and at the bottom. You just press that in and literally just slides out of the top of the face. Do that again with the bottom, press it in. It's a little bit fiddly sometimes, and just slide it out, so then you've just got your little face there. And then the same thing to add a new strap. You just hold your face and the strap, and there's just a little groove at the top that you just slide in there. So as I say, I don't think this one goes so well, so I think I will upgrade this to the rose gold kind of middle section here, because I just think it clashes a bit with the more pinky gold. So yeah, I think I will update that, but this was only like £7, so I really don't mind. I didn't spend a lot on this. So that's what I think I'll do with that one. But yeah, I just really like having the option to have a metal strap, just something a bit different. And that's how it looks when it's on. Just for like going out or something like that, it just changes it up a little bit, makes it more of an accessory. And yeah, just makes it a bit more jewellery like. So I like that one, but like I said, I think I will upgrade to the rose gold. Now the next one is a bit more of a bougie purchase. So as you might know, Apple do Hermes straps. Now I've said before I would never buy anything from Hermes, but I meant a bag. This strap is really nice because it will go with a lot of things. It is leather and it is a tan colour. And now what I liked about this, it's not a kind of normal just tan leather strap. It's more of like a bracelet, so you wrap it round twice and it's more of a bracelet. So this is the strap. Really gorgeous tan leather colour. I think this will just go with everything. And it came in this kind of little kind of dust bag. So it's just got watch, Hermes on there. And yeah, it just keeps it really nice and safe in there. But yeah, so this is the other bit. As you can see, I haven't even worn this yet, but I want to keep this more for special occasions. I don't want to wear it all the time, but I'll show you it on. I'll show you what it looks like. As I said, it is more of a bracelet kind of accessory, and I think I will just wear this for like special occasions, or if I'm going somewhere really nice, I think it will look great. So as you can see, it kind of wraps around your wrist twice and crosses over at the back, so you get this kind of watch strap and bracelet kind of effect, which I think is really nice actually. It just gives a bit more of an accessory, more of a kind of jewellery piece, so you just get the two kind of bands on your wrist there, which I think is quite cool. It's different and it's Hermes, so it obviously is a bit more expensive than the other watch straps that I've got, but I just think it's nice to have the option to dress up a little bit. It's tan, so it goes with lots of other things, and I just think it looks really nice as kind of like a bracelet watch combination. So the last one I have is another one that I got from Apple, which is really nice actually. Again, it's a bit more than just your standard rubber strap. This is the kind of, again, it's called gold, but their gold is kind of more of a rose gold to me. It is this, what's this called again? Milanese loop. So you can get these in silver, you can get them in a few different colours. It's kind of metal, kind of chain metal. So it's very easy to kind of move, and it's got this magnetic strap on there, so that just goes on same way as all the others, in the top and in the bottom. I think this is probably one of my favourites actually out of them all. I just really love how it looks and how it works. Yeah, I just find it really easy to wear. Really, it doesn't clash with anything that I wear. Some of the other ones I've got to think about what kind of outfit I'm wearing, but yeah, this one, it just looks really nice and classy. I love the rose gold effect, and I think the face and the watch strap just work really well together. Yeah, this is probably my favourite one. I'd say the one that I like to wear most when I'm not exercising, when I'm just going out somewhere for the day. Obviously not right now at the moment, but yeah, this is my favourite one that I like to wear normally. So that's it. So I've got 4 watch straps, and I think they all cover kind of the things that I need them for: exercise, going out, daily use and everything like that. So I'm really happy with those, and I'm always on the lookout for new ones to get. But I would definitely recommend looking at an Apple Watch if you're thinking about getting something to help you with your exercise, with tracking your steps. I think it's really great, and like I said, the new features on the new one is just really amazing. So yeah, if you're interested, I'd definitely look at getting one. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you liked the little accessories that I showed you. I will leave all links for the straps and everything down below. So thanks again for watching, and don't forget I'm also on Instagram at Luxury and Life UK, so check me out over there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.